What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the world of AI, where AI is your playground. So today I want to do a quick tutorial on how to use VideoExpress.ai to create talking photos. Now you can use the images that you create in VideoExpress.ai, or you can use photos from images from anywhere, and you can just import them in here. Their only specification or requirement is that it has to be, I believe, a waist up type of shot, not a close-up of someone's face, but it should be like a waist up to the head type of image. So let's go ahead and click on Talking Photos. If you guys don't know how to access this dashboard, there's a login on the bottom of VideoExpress.ai, the website, app login, and then it'll bring you to the dashboard, the main dashboard. All right, so on the right side, you will see this option here where it says Talking Photos. In the menu, if you're new to this and you're just exploring Talking Photos and you haven't watched my other tutorials, on the right side, this media library, this is where this software is gonna store all of your creations, images, videos, everything in there. And this is the money button right here, Create with AI. So that's the button you're going to push to access Talking Photos. All right. You can create your photos here from prompt, or you can select an image. So let's select an image. If you want to upload an image from your computer, from your desktop or laptop, you're going to click on Images and Upload File. But we're not going to do that right now because I already have images in here. So I'm going to select an image from my AI images folder, and let's try this one. Let's try this one. Okay. Teenager engaged in heartfelt conversation. Create human talking video. Yes, that's what I want. Human. Let's do that. Okay, but here's the script. Right, you have to enter the script, and this is where it gets kind of cool, where you can create this new video clip, and then you can drag it into your timeline. And as I don't know if you can see on the bottom on your main dashboard, you'll see the timeline. So after you create your images or videos in here, it's just drag and drop. You just drag it into your timeline, and you can import audio and speech and whatever else. So let's go ahead, import speech. Hey mom, right? This is a teenager, right? Hey mom, are you doing today? Let's say I had a great day at school. I asked out Dana. No, let's say Melissa. I asked out Melissa on a date, and she said yes. So that's it. Import. No, I don't want to import speech. Can I import speech? Well, I need to change the voice. I have an aria. Guy. Let's hear Guy.
Hello, my name is Guy. You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video avatar.
Oh, there are so many options here, guys.
Hello, my name is Israel.
That sounds like
you
a
can
teenage
pick me
boy.
as your
Let's
text-to-speech human-like voice.
Import speech. Sounds good. It looks like there might be like 100 voices here, guys. It's a lot. Language. They can even speak in different languages. That's pretty cool. You can do your own voice recording, right? Excuse me. You can do import audio. So lots of options here. But this is it. Create talking video, which we did. I'm going to push it again, just for good measure. Cool. It did it. All right.
Hey mom, how are you doing today? I had a great day at school. I asked out Melissa on a date and she said yes.
That's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. And then we can modify that. We can lower the pitch. I'm going to slow it down a little bit, and I'm going to lower the pitch. Oh, it deleted it. All right, I'm not going to make you go through that again. But you understand. Now, let's create the talking. Okay, but we want to create the video, right? We created it, right? But it sounds good. How does it look, right? Let's say. I don't see his mouth moving.
Hey Mom, how are you doing today?
Oh. Look here on the top right. Look here. The generation of your AI video has been successfully completed. It's in your media library. So let's go ahead and open that. Should be here in AI videos. It is not here. It's not here. AI, let's go back. Videos, not there. Videos. Okay, here it is. It just took a minute. That's it. I'm so impatient. I want everything now. I want everything right now.
Hey Mom, how are you doing today? I had a great day at school. I asked out Melissa on a date and she said yes.
Okay, not bad. Not great, but not bad. Again, another thing I like about this software, VideoExpress.ai, this program, is that you can repair and optimize. So if I'm like, yeah, I don't really like it, it could be better, I'm going to push that button, repair and optimize. This will render your human talking video to repair and optimize it if you're unhappy. Yes, I'm unhappy, so let's submit. And you can do this as many times as you want. And with this software, I think I mentioned before that you have unlimited generations. And I paid for the premium package, which gives me a lot of the premium features, but I can create as much as I want, whenever I want, and I'm not charged monthly. It's forever. So, okay, it should be done. No, it's not done yet because this little notification didn't pop up on the top right. I can redesign this. Again, there's so many things you can do with this software. The AI is your playground. I'm just telling you that. I would never leave my chair if I didn't have to go to work. I'd just be generating software, generating things all day. Okay, let's go here. Let's play this video.
Hey Mom, how are you doing today? I had a great day at school.
She's bobbing her
I
head.
asked out Melissa on a date and she said yes.
It's okay. It's better. What if we did it again? Okay, I'm submitting it. Okay, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna let it do its thing, and I'm gonna create another talking photo using a different type of image. So let's use this image here. Well, this is a boy. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get the right voice for this. So let's choose another image. Have anything in here? And you can do this with celebrities. You can do this. I'm not saying that you should, and I'm not encouraging you to do that. I'm just saying you can do that with your own pictures. You can do that with your friends, and but I don't suggest you posting any celebrities or any of your friends or family anywhere online or for commercial purposes, because you could get yourself in trouble. So you don't want to do that without their permission. If you have their permission, that's cool. Okay, so let's try this one. Let's create a talking video with this, and now we got to change the voice. We're gonna go with Alfonso.
Hello, my name is Alfonso.
That's Alfonso.
You can pick me as your text-to-speech human-like voice engine for your video avatar. Hello.
I just put the pitch up a little bit. Okay, so let's go. I'm really hungry. What do you want to eat today? How about a cheeseburger from... I'll just leave that, cheeseburger. Okay, import speech. Give it a minute. Give it a minute. Okay. And...
Hi, I'm really hungry. What do you want to eat today? How about a cheeseburger?
Yeah, I'd probably slow that down a little bit. But anyway, let's create the human video. Oh, we did it already, so it's generating. Cool, there it is. It's done. Let's go up here and check it out. And it's going to be in the media library under my AI videos. It's not quite there, but oh, this is the redesign of the redesign. So let's play
Hey
that.
Mom, how are you doing today?
Okay,
I had
so
a
this is
great
probably
day at
the best
school.
it's gonna get.
I asked out Melissa on a date and she said yes.
Yeah, so that's not bad. So again, if you don't like the image, we can, redesign it again or just change the image, modify the image. Okay, so last thing we're gonna do is I just wanna wait for that other one to generate. Let's play it.
Hi, I'm really hungry. What do you want to eat today? How about a cheeseburger?
Okay, but I'm gonna repair and optimize this and let's see how much better it looks, okay? Okay, we are back with the redesign. And this is it. Let's see, people. Let's see how it turned out.
Hi, I'm really hungry.
Ooh, it's better.
What do you want to eat today? How about a cheeseburger?
All right, I like it. It's better. I mean, the two girls next to him aren't doing anything but staring, not even blinking. So, but he's talking, and it sounds pretty good. So, this is how you create talking photos in VideoExpress.ai. All right, thanks for sticking with me today. If you like what you see, if you want to check it out for yourself, go to you can click the link in the description and let me know what you think. If you find any other software out there, I'm open to try anything right now. I'm creating content every day, and I'm growing every day, and I'm learning, and I'm sure you are too. So you should share what you know, but this is one of the best programs that I have found so far. So good luck with it, and I hope to see you all on the next video. Take care.